Hey everyone, I'm back with another hair. Today, as I finally got my hands on the highly anticipated Lordhair customized hair. Can you believe it? It's been a long wait, exactly 2 months. Customized hair offers numerous advantages, such as you can personalize the color, density, and even the shape of the hairline to suit your preferences and needs. The one I got here is 80% 1B natural black and 20% number 22 highlight, as well as a A-shaped hairline. Alright, let's move on to the hair installation process. This hair once again is a neon base, and first I will carefully apply tapes onto the poly skin part to ensure a secure hold. Then I'll be using got2b hairspray for the frontal lace part. First, locate the starting point of your hairline. Typically, it's 4 fingers above your eyebrows. And then, gently position the system on your head, applying firm pressure to ensure a secure fit. Then, I'm going to apply got2b spray on my forehead for the frontal lace. Once you applied it, give it some time to dry completely. Once it's dry, gently press down the frontal lace for a seamless blend. Alright, here's the final look. The hairline is also looking fantastic. Okay, now let's step into the sunshine and give it a closer look. Thank you so much and see you next time.